Hello. Uh, okay. Is anyone there? Hi. Hi, Isha. How are you? Okay, I can see a lot of people joining in. Hi, Priyanka. Hi, Mugda. Hello. Hello, everyone. Okay, I'm going to wait till a few more people join in and then we start. I have a big list. Okay. So first of all, namaskar and a heartfelt hello to all. Today, as you all know, we are going to have a very, very special guest on board. He's not only a very, very good astrologer, a TED speaker, a motivational speaker, and a life coach, but also a very good human being. He is super inspirational and he inspires me and a lot of people. I'm sure you all also inspired by him. So today we are going to talk about him and then we'll take all your queries. So I think he's going to be live in a few seconds. So till then I would I'd just like to tell you about him. He is I think he's extremely selfless and a very, very grounded person. He helps a lot of people without giving a second thought to it. I'm sure you all know about it. So yes, let's just wait for him to join in and we can start chatting. Okay, let me just okay. So we'll just wait for him to join in and till then I'm just going to tell you that I'm going to try and make sure that I reach out to people, your queries, and I've noted down all of them. So as many as he can answer, he will, I'm sure. And it's going to be a very exciting session. Yes. Hi, Anju. Hi, Mugda. Yes, I have details. I'll just note it down again. Hi. Hello, everyone. Hello. Hi, Rahul Verma. Hello to all of them. Thank you so much for joining in. So let's just see our special guest is still making us wait a little bit. So he'll be there in, I think, another 1 or 2 minutes. Let me just check. Okay, he's here. So we're just waiting for him to join in. He's right here with us. Oh, hello. How are you?
I'm very good. Acha, I didn't realize that you will do it in a landscape mode because most of the time, or every time we have done in
Okay.
vertical mode. Yeah, so that was the
Oh,
reason I had.
sorry for that.
No
Oh,
problem.
I'm so sorry for that.
No problem. Yeah.
So everybody is waiting for you, and I've already introduced you. So
Okay.
they all know that we are just going to chat about you, and
Okay.
since you also know about it. So would you like to say something, or should we just start?
Uh, I think I'm good to go.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
So let's just start with your motivation, since you are a motivational speaker. So what is your inspiration that has brought you here, today at what you have achieved? What made you, what inspired you the most?
No, I think life itself is very inspiring. Is how you take it. And I believe in this
Right.
one life, and you have to, give your best and try to achieve whatever dreams you have. At the same time, you have to maintain a balance between your materialistic life and your spiritual life, or your happy life, actually, which has other aspects also. Because whenever we talk about good or bad in life, we start comparing with our finances, or with career, or with materialistic
So
things.
true.
But I think in life
Very
there are
true.
bigger things which are, I think more important than being only thinking towards materialism, making life better with more numbers in bank and bigger house and a bigger car and whatever. So I think something we need to change, and I think this is a great opportunity, though it is a very dangerous or a difficult situation we all are in because of this
It
pandemic.
is. It is. Yeah.
But I think
Yes. Yes.
this is the first time people might be realizing about the real purpose, and which is happiness. So I think we should look for those small things which can make us happy at the same time. This is my personal
Very true.
view, but everyone is different here.
Very true. But quote, do you really, मतलब शुरू से तो of course I'm sure जब आप छोटे थे तब तो I'm sure आपको ऐसा कुछ जैसे सबको होता है normally, everybody wants this, that, materialistic things.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
but how did you really evolve, ऐसा कब आपको लगा कि मतलब मुझे I want to get into astrology and help people and make it my career? When was that?
See, I think there's always a trigger point in life. Everyone has one, and
Very true.
sometimes,
Very true. I agree.
you know, so sometimes you just go with the flow, and you don't even realize that what is going on, and what the changes are coming to you, and you're supposed to behave and think according to the time.
So
So
true.
sometimes it
I
may take
agree.
50 years. Sometimes you have to just get one thought, and then you are done. Like Prince Siddharth, who became Gautam Buddha.
Yes.
He got
Yes.
enlightened.
Yes.
So under the
Yes.
tree, obviously you need to do a lot of sadhana and a lot of prayers, and it has to be in your horoscope to get that thing in
Yes.
in your mind. Because everyone
True.
has a journey. But I think the day you realize, as they say in Hindi, जब आँख खुले तभी सवेरा. तो आँख खुलना
Very
बहुत
true.
जरूरी
I
है.
agree.
Yeah. So I think
But वो आप कैसे खोले मैं ये सोच रही हूँ because you know what क्या होता है कि मतलब मेरे साथ भी and everybody I'm sure they want to do a lot of things or they are unable to first of all they are unable to understand what they want in life. They
Right.
want to do this, that and everything. मतलब आप इतने focused कैसे हो मैं ये कह रही हूँ because it will help a lot of people to know and अचीव कैसे लगता है कि अच्छा नहीं this is what is good for me. I'm sure आप पहले से तो एस्ट्रोलॉजी में इंक्लाइन थे क्या बचपन से यू मोर टूवर्ड्स इंक्लिनेशन था आपका स्पिरिचुअली ज्यादा कि हाउ वाज योर फैमिली बेसिकली
I think
वाज इनटू
बचपन में एक ऐड आती थी जब मैं छोटा बच्चा था बड़ी शरारत करता था सो ऑब्वियसली तो एक that was as I said it is all about time. So but I had on a serious note I might say that I had this philosophical bent of mind since beginning. So so people used to even say me philosopher that way. But I think
पर आप
मुझे
शायरी
लगता
भी
है
इतनी अच्छी कर लेते हैं
अब वजह नहीं थी आज कुछ भी लिखने की और वैसे भी बेवजह लिखने की मेरी आदत हो गई है तो आई थिंक आई जस्ट ट्राई टू क्रिएट समथिंग आई थिंक इट इज जस्ट अ वे ऑफ लाइफ एंड दिस इज हाउ यू टेक बट आई थिंक एस्ट्रोलॉजिकली यस तो आपका जो क्वेश्चन है उसका यही आंसर है कि एस्ट्रोलॉजिकली व्हेन
अच्छा
a person has some few planets placed in 8th house, the house of occult knowledge, which is a very deep house, and a lot of research you do from there, a lot of learning you can go into that. So that makes you philosophical, and not only philosophical, but at the same time you have the ability to learn something from there. So ये individual horoscope में होता है, तो I think this is a part of my journey. It is not like you manipulate and you anyone feel कि oh this is easy money making business, let me learn astrology and become an astrologer. The person can become can learn astrology. Understanding astrology is one thing, but predicting it and that too in the right way is something which is a different ball game. So I think it always come with time, it always come with experience, it come with your sincerity, It comes with your honesty. It comes with your spirituality, your connect, your conscious. So there are a lot of boxes you need to tick, before you feel that you're qualified enough to predict something, and guide someone, because everyone's, whoever is looking up to you, he will be depending on his life
Very
journey
true.
on you. So your one word, your one sentence, the way you frame it, and your
They
gesture
trust you
towards a person,
basically.
absolutely. So either you can make it or break it. So if you discourage a person for nothing, and put some fear in mind, then I think it is not the right way to do astrology.
I agree. But there are a lot of people who don't understand that importance actually, and they just. I've heard one of your in the interviews. I've heard one instance wherein a gentleman, of course, an astrologer, just wanted to just extract money, and he just said something weird at a hotel or something. You just, I remember you telling that in an interview.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah, that's
yes,
right.
yes.
I remember that.
Okay, but you don't have basically जैसे होता है गुरु है मेरा ये he is my guru. So you look up to someone. Is there anyone you look up to? He
I think, see, everyone has a different belief. First of all, we are born in a country which is India, which was initially Bharat and Hindustan. Then it got a modern name called India. India is not a great name to use for this diversified country, because we have an amazing culture. So, but
Very
anyways,
true.
because of Britishers and whatever, it got branded as India. So you
Happen.
don't feel that essence when you call I'm Indian, when you call I'm Hindustani, then it
You
brings
feel
a lot
it.
of, yeah. So there's a
Yes,
lot of
pride.
tradition, culture, and values come within from
That
you.
pride comes to you.
Absolutely. And even I was suggesting somewhere in a forum that, why not?
Yeah. Bharat.
I know practically we can't rename it. It will remain India
Yes.
now forever because of
Yes.
various reasons. But you can always add one tagline under it, maybe like on
Bharat.
passport or whatever. So you write
Anything else?
India, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. So I
Yes.
think that Jai Hind, Jai Bharat
I
can
heard
also
that.
give that kind of this thing.
Yes,
But
and
yeah,
it's I think important.
yes, of course. Yeah, the belief has to be there. So, like your question about my belief is, I think we are lucky enough to born in a culture, which has deep rooted, imbibed, spirituality in us from various ways. The culture can be different. It can be diversified. If you are like Gujarati, you are Marwadis, and there are a lot of sections to it. And you
Yes.
call it Hindu, but you are like united people of Hinduism. That's a good
Yes.
statement I've just made first time. Yeah, so
Oh, amazing.
so I
I
think
was about
we
to
are
say
like
that.
that. So I think yeah, but I think if you get something from there and you carry forward, then I think
Yes.
it comes in you, and then you can think like this, behave like this, talk like that. It helps in a great way.
Okay, I'm going to ask you one question. It's a fun question since it's already 15 minutes past. So I'll just ask you. Okay, a best horoscope you've read ever. Just a fun-filled game.
I think
Best horoscope.
see, I have read horoscope of a lot of billionaires even, and billionaires in dollars and even pounds. And I have read horoscopes of a lot of film stars, cricketers, industrials. What I'm saying is people who are
Yes,
there.
yes.
But still, I
Yes.
would say that best you can't compare. First, you can't compare two lives. A person who may be
Correct.
having
But what I
yeah.
what
So
I
I'm
mean
coming to
is
it.
not only materialistic, but balanced.
Yeah. So
Basically.
so whenever I see a person who is reasonably doing good financially, who has a good name, and who is happy, I treat that
Yes.
person as as a
Yes.
successful person.
Very
I treat
true.
this is
I
a best,
agree.
because he has a balanced mind. So people who has a balanced mind, I think they are more successful than only earning or running after
So
materialism.
true. So true. But how is it? As in, what happens is normally कितने लोग होते हैं बोलते हैं हमारे पास ये भी है वो भी है सब कुछ है. But ऐसा लगता है नहीं है कुछ भी. That importance of happiness is so much and peace of mind is so much, but people don't know it and they don't have it. So वो बोलते हैं कि नहीं मतलब even if they have BMW at home and they have nice house and everything possible materialistically, but no
Yeah.
peace of mind and happiness. So they feel that emptiness. How to get that? How do
Amazing.
people achieve that?
Yeah, so like people say, either you can be beautiful or you can be wise. But I must compliment you. You're looking beautiful, and I think you're not anything, but you are a wise person. The way you are coming up with question, which is
Thank you
amazing.
so
You are looking
much.
great. Wow.
Thank you.
So
You too, in
there,
fact.
so there was a dialogue.
ये जरूरी
Set.
है.
No, no, I mean it. I don't say it just like that. I mean it. This is the first time we are interacting like this. So
Yes,
great.
yes.
So and I got late because I was puzzled, because every time we used to do it in vertical manner, and we have now discussed that you will do this way. And I had to change the setting of my this.
वो
family
same
well,
actually
well.
same level पे ऊपर नीचे थोड़ा अजीब तो लगता है मुझे. So I
Absolutely.
thought this
I
will
just
be
shifted.
nice.
Yeah, I just changed the height of my this thing because it should match with the frame. So yeah, I know.
How sweet
So,
is that?
Yes. So in a movie, there was a dialogue like मेरे पास बंगला है, बैंक बैलेंस है, गाड़ियां हैं, बिल्डिंग हैं, तुम्हारे पास क्या है? तो उसने कहा मेरे
मेरे पास
पास
माँ है.
हाँ, उसने कहा कि फिर माँ कहाँ है? पहले तो अच्छा, I'm just joking. उसने कहा मेरे पास माँ है. माँ means astrologically, माँ is emotion. Ma is mental
Yes,
peace.
yes,
Ma is
yes.
care. Ma is love. Ma is mental peace.
True.
Why I'm saying Ma? Because astrologically, mother, the planet which rules mother is moon. And anyone who has a good moon, they are very peaceful. They are very happy within. And they are always loving and caring. So I think, jo comparison hai about a good horoscope, about, achieving something, and comparison between a content and a happy life, I would choose rather this one than that one. Having all the money and feeling miserable, I will never go there.
I agree. So true, so true. तो वो peace of mind मिलता ही नहीं है किसी को भी आजकल तो. And especially, if I talk about kids, I don't know what's wrong. They just don't understand spirituality also. And पता नहीं वो जो missing है चीज, it's just missing, amongst them. They are very, very angry. I've seen a lot of kids, they have a lot of anger in it. I think maybe because during the mothers who have conceived and they must be angry or something like that. It happens, is it?
Yeah, I think you're not asking a question. You are answering your question as well. I'll tell you.
No, just is it like that?
Amazing. You're right. Absolutely. There was a poetry which said, this is not mine actually. Normally, I share my poetry, but it's a beautiful.
But you have to, any which is. We all would love to listen.
So it was like that कि हजारों ख्वाहिशें ऐसी कि हर ख्वाहिश पर दम निकले, हजारों ख्वाहिशें ऐसी कि हर ख्वाहिश पर दम निकले और बहुत निकले दिल के अरमा फिर भी कम निकले. So that means people, they are not content with, even if they get everything, they're born with a silver spoon, they're driving BMWs, Mercedes or Audi, even earlier in their life, going to college, even driving them, but still they are not happy or they are miserable. The reason is, like you have asked me about the new generation children, kids, yes. They have a lot of information, in our school days. In fact, I was conducting a webinar even last evening for a very prestigious degree college here in Mumbai. So I was interacting with children, and I said that it is, when I used to be in my school days, we were very, very happy because that there was no technology, no mobile phones, no WhatsApp, no Instagram, nothing actually. So we had more time to talk to each other,
we were content,
to understand emotions. Now what is happening is, you see Instagram, you see, someone is traveling there, someone is putting picture here, someone is saying, wow, I bought this, that is about this is my that, people. So people start comparing. And when you start comparing, you become upset because no one can match anyone, others' journey. Everyone is in a different world, in a different situation. So when you start comparing, you become miserable. So either you long for that, or you feel, you are so unfortunate to not to have all those things. So I think kids or the new age children, I think they need to understand that everyone is different, everyone has a different journey, and it's not about those things which can make anyone happy. I know people who have everything, but they are not happy at all. So I think we should stop comparing. I think this is something we have to bring in our mind. Stop comparing.
And I think it's very important that, parents inculcate that in kids.
Yeah, and another answer can be, Saloni, to your question, which is very relevant nowadays for everyone, is lack of spirituality. Yes. Because new age kid, they feel, what we are talking about, I can't do this arti, I can't do this mantra, I don't know how to do it, and they are not interested at all, because they are all people who are all bent towards logical thinking. So they feel, where is God? Where is God? Can you show me a God? Any kind of, where is God? How?
Visually.
So they are looking for the logic. There's a reason they fail to connect to that form of God. But I think, as I say, in science, they need a proof. I always believe that if something cannot be proved, that doesn't mean it doesn't exist. So acceptance is important. Faith is something where you have to accept it just like that, even if there is no proof to it. So I think they should work, inculcate this thought into the kids' mind, and kids should also start meditating at least, because in meditation there's no religion. In meditation there is no
But there are a
religion.
lot of people, they don't understand meditation, you know. They say meditation, अरे बैठ नहीं सकता हूँ मैं एक जगह पर, you know.
नहीं तो
What do we
लेटे
do
कर लीजिए.
during meditation?
See, I'll tell you, meditation is क्या है?
I know. Yeah.
Meditation is when you are engrossed in something, when you love something, you are totally focused in that. That is also meditation. So
Yeah, they
you
say when you're
learn.
sleeping, you're meditating.
Absolutely, ideally it has to be. I've seen loads of people whose mind is always unrest even while sleeping. So they are not at peace at all. Yeah. So I think
My God.
when you love something, enjoy something, engross in that without getting any other thing affect your mind, and that is meditation. And then slowly you can upgrade yourself and then do real meditation. So that will help you to focus more. It will increase your concentration,
So
and you'll be
true.
more happy internally. Actually, your confidence will grow. Your face on your, the glow on your face will be amazing, like you are glowing. So that is something which is great.
That's makeup.
It's okay, but I always believe in you.
Just
You need
kidding.
you need a good canvas even to paint. So the quality of canvas also matters. I don't know if anyone has said that earlier.
Actually, yeah, no, I have not heard that. So it's yours. Okay,
you.
actually, you know what? There's one question which has come to my mind. It's a vast question, basically, about dreams. But I'm not going to ask you now because we are going to fall short of time otherwise. I want to
Okay.
ask you rapid fire questions. So I'm just going to quickly throw questions at you and you're going to choose one. Okay?
Okay.
So I'm going to tell you two options and you will choose one. So tea or coffee? Quick.
Tea.
Okay. Sunrise or sunset?
Sunrise. But I'm not an early riser, so I love sunrise.
I was
But I
about
used
to
to
ask
watch.
you that.
And even my house, there's a west side balcony, and we see sunset every day. And it's amazing
Okay.
view from here. So, but I love
But you
sunrise.
like,
But yeah,
which you are deprived of. That's why you love it.
absolutely. But I have a mirror
Same
in front
here.
of me. Yeah, I have a mirror on the east direction, and when I open the window, the curtains behind me, I feel it is sunset when I see on the mirror, because that is east. So there is a sunset is happening, but I feel it is a sunrise.
Wow,
So I
that's
have
amazing. So
manipulated.
you have, wow. So is that because of Vastu or something?
No,
कि ऐसे ही
no,
है?
no,
नहीं.
no, no.
So, but
ऐसे
you're not
ऐसे.
into Vastu or something.
No, of course
नहीं.
I am. Yeah, I know
You,
where not to put a mirror. Yeah, that I know. Yeah.
okay. All right. So, sweet or spicy? Quick.
See, excess of everything is bad, but yeah, I will prefer sweet than being spicy. Yeah.
Sweet tooth. All right.
I know,
So,
mine is arranged marriage, so obviously
okay.
there's no spice. Just joking.
अरे पीछे से कोई आने वाला है अभी.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, that day in an interview, I said, I can't say few things because I'm in a confined environment. You don't know behind my, camera, wife would be sitting in front of me.
And you can't go out anywhere now. कि थोड़ा
Absolutely.
time निकल जाए, भूल जाए. Not
Yeah,
fun.
that's right. Yeah.
Okay, this one is difficult because I know you like both. So choose one: shairi or astrology.
I'll
Shairi or
prefer.
astrology.
See, I'll prefer astrology because even all my poetry is whatever thought it has come to my mind is because of astrology. Because when you do astrology, you understand human psychology, you understand life, you understand
Very true.
what is going up and down, and then you get those ideas to make a poetry. So I will prefer astrology.
Okay. So palmistry or face reading.
Yeah, it's always good to
What's
read beautiful faces, but yeah, palmistry gives more insights about a person.
okay? All right. So let's. I think we are already there. Should we start taking requests because there are quite a lot,
Okay.
and because otherwise we will. I don't think so. We're going to stop talking.
Yeah, no
I am
problem.
enjoying a lot.
Yeah.
So should we start? Because I've just noted down a lot of requests. I'll just take their name of whosoever is available. We'll just take their requests.
And you can even
Yeah,
take,
we can.
people who can send them now, who
Yeah,
must be
that's
sending now. you can-
yeah. I'll do that also.
Okay.
So is Bhanu Sharma there? Say hi if you're there. I don't think so. Okay, so I can see Diksha Priyam. Date of birth is 2nd 5 1990.
May.
5. Yeah.
Okay.
No, not May.
1990.
Yeah, second May 1990. Time is 10:58 a.m.
Place of birth?
Ramgarh, Ramgarh, Jharkhand,
Ramgarh, Jharkhand. Okay.
Jharkhand. Yes. Hi, Diksha, are you there? Say hi, please.
I think Ramgarh was in Sholay, right?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay. 2nd of May 1990, and she's Diksha, right?
Diksha, yes.
Okay. So,
Diksha Bhuya.
okay, so she's born on Wednesday. I think she's a very caring, kind-hearted person, but at the same time very
Okay,
sensitive. And a small thing
okay.
bothers her, that is a bigger problem. And I think there's some situation with the relationship. I don't know if she's married. Has he mentioned
Okay.
any question along with
No,
the
nothing.
details?
She's actually, I can't see her now. She's not saying hi, hello. Diksha,
Okay,
you there?
so marriage is something she need to be very very cautious in, because if she's married, then she need to accept a lot of things, because it is very easy to get hurt. That is what his problem is. And
Okay.
she find reasons to get hurt. Actually, she has a kind heart, but at the same time the sensitivity is what she goes against her. And there are a few malefic planets in her 7th house indicating a very late marriage. Or if she's married, then also either she's not married, or if she's married, then there could be a situation. So I would suggest her to ignore, look at a bigger picture, because she's born in May, and people born in between April and May, 15 to 15, they are the one who have a lot of pride and ego also, because the sun is very strong.
Okay.
And she's born at 11, when sun comes in 11, the 10th house, which so she can't take anything which is not right. So though it is a
Okay.
good thing, to follow those principles, but
Yes.
otherwise I would say, sometimes you need to let go things, even if you are right and the person is wrong, for the sake of harmony and
Mm,
happiness. So that is my
very true.
suggestion to her. But I think she's extremely beautiful, very creative. Beautiful in the sense, if she try to create
Okay.
things in a
दीक्षा
beautiful
आप
manner.
हैं यहाँ पर सुन रही हैं?
And she can wear one pearl and yellow sapphire. These two stones she can wear,
Okay.
but I don't know. Next time, you can ask
Okay.
people to mention a particular question, because, in a limited time, if I start reading everything,
Yes,
then,
yes, yes, yes. I
we
know.
can miss,
So, okay,
we may
I've
miss out.
got particular question for Udit Kumar Singh.
Okay.
Udit Kumar Singh, are you there? I can't see. There's so many questions. My God. Hi, Udit. Are you there? Say hello if you're there. I can't see it.
No problem. So, do you have his details?
Okay. Yes, I've got 14th October 1994,
Time,
11:45 a.m.
place of birth,
Assam,
where in Assam?
Dibrugarh.
Dibrugarh. Okay. Yeah, got it. 14th October 1994 is Friday, 11:45 in the
Yes,
morning, Dibrugarh in Assam.
yes.
Yeah, he's
He
a
wants to know
multi-talented.
about whether he'll get government job or
I was
not.
about
When,
to.
if he gets. Okay.
He's born to get a government job. I was about to say that.
Oh,
First, I
okay.
said he's a
Wow.
multi-talented person. The second thing I was about to say was that he may get a lot of gains through government, and that is
Okay.
great. He can teach people. He can train them. He can do a lot of things. Actually, has a lot of passion learning. And the best thing about him is he is quite a charitable person. He would love to
Oh,
help everyone, and this is what he believes, that he has a
okay.
calling, and he want to help anyone or everyone, humanity and mankind. This is what he believe in, the religion of humanism. So that is the best thing about Udit. So I think, Udit,
Okay.
you are thinking right, and by the grace of God, you may get a government job. To keep trying,
And he's
and
saying when will his financial condition improve?
see, the thing is, anyone who has a passion may invest a lot, or spend a lot of money in making life beautiful. So I would suggest him to think twice before spending, because he can be a spendthrift also. Before
Okay.
2017, it was a different journey, and he wanted to do this, and that, so nothing worked. But now it is a good phase for him, and career-wise, it will be
Okay.
okay. And once he get a government job, though, I don't think there will be any problem with finances. But yeah, expenses,
Oh,
as they
okay.
say, money saved is money earned. So I think he should follow that.
Okay. Now Shobna is there. Her Shobna, say hi. Her date of birth is 20th February 87,
Time,
1400 hours, 2 o'clock, 2 p.m.
place of birth,
And Sangrur, Punjab.
Sangrur.
Sangrur, Punjab. She's saying she's going to get divorced, and in-laws and her husband used money and me, she said. Yeah. So she's got like a lot of problem with her
Sangrur.
marriage, basically.
So do you know how to spell Sangrur? I'm not able to find it here.
It's
Sangrur.
Sangrur.
Oh, I was
San.
trying. Found it. I was
Okay.
trying with SUN actually. Okay.
Acha, okay.
So it is Friday, 20th February
Yeah.
1987 is Friday, 2 in the afternoon, Sangrur, Punjab.
Yeah.
You know, till this February, it was a very, very frustrating time. Last 1 year
Okay.
was very, very frustrating. And now things have changed though.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
I would advise Shobna, that she should just have some acceptance because she is quite a authoritative person. And she has all
Oh,
the
okay.
courage to react in front of anyone. So that goes against her. She will never accept
Yeah.
anything
And she
which
has a
she
daughter
feels.
too.
And sorry?
She has a daughter too.
Yeah, so she has a responsibility now. So see, it is very easy to
Yeah.
break a relationship, but I think the right thing
Very
is to
true.
mend your differences and work on it. And nothing is permanent. Sometimes you feel, oh, you should have not done that because sometimes it is too late to undo things. But it's still, and I've seen, a lot of people are calling
I
me,
agree.
and during this lockdown, it's almost 3 months. And when you are in a confined environment and you are arguing and talking to each other, and there could be some indifferences also. So that doesn't mean that you take it to the next level. So I would suggest her that she should just let pass this phase because
Try.
nothing is permanent and things will change. She can wear an emerald. I think she must be wearing one and one diamond. So these two stones will always be good for
Okay.
her, and she should
Okay.
definitely
Emerald
work
and
on saving
diamond.
her marriage. Yeah, she should work on saving her
Okay,
marriage. I
Shobna
would.
ji, your things will get better. Please try and work on your marriage. And as Sandeep Kochar ji said, emerald and diamond. I'm sure diamond ring to pehni hogi engagement. आजकल
Yeah,
सब पहनते
yeah.
so yeah, please wear that and everything will be fine, I'm sure. So please खुश रहें और think about your daughter and your family life. अच्छा, there is
Yes.
another lady, Purnima Verma.
Mm-hmm.
She also has a problematic married life. Born on 29th September 1989. She's quite
Time.
young.
Mm.
11:56 a.m. Agra, UP. Hi Purnima, are you there?
29 September 1989, 11:56 in the morning. That means around noon time. The problem with her is,
Yes, yes.
there are three problems in her horoscope, and because of that, there is a situation. First, I would suggest government of India to just do what is the word used as technically null and void. They should just ignore any application for divorce during which happened during this lockdown phase.
I know, I agree. Because sometimes, time,
Yeah,
they say time heals everything, but ये time
just
मुझे लगता है कि it breaks also and sometimes it heals also. Yeah. Now,
so
right
once
now,
this
कुछ ज़्यादा ample time
Yeah,
to talk
so once
about
this phase
everything.
will be over, yeah, the things will be over. But the problem with her is big time. Though she's very caring, very generous, and very charitable, as I've said, she had first I was saying three, now there are four problems in her horoscope. First thing is
Okay.
she has a lot of doubts in everything. She
Okay.
will always feel what you are saying is right, but I think you mean something else. So she has a negative aspect towards something.
Okay.
Second thing is she
Oh,
was
that's
born,
really bad.
yeah, so she was born around new moon day. So there was no moon when she was born. So people with this kind of time, they are very anxious and they are very sensitive. They get hurt. And because she is ruled by Mars, she has all the courage to say on the face. And because she has another combination which
Oh,
says that she has no idea how to use diplomacy in life. So she's too direct, too blunt actually to say it on the face. So
oh God.
first, small, and she can't ignore anything in her life, anything. So small thing bother her, then she feel bad, and then she has a lot of apprehensions about it because of doubt, and
And
then
then
she
she
react.
says it also. Oh
So
God.
that goes against.
So
So it's
all
not
the
about.
combination, yeah.
So I always say कि
Okay.
आपकी शादी रणवीर से होती है या रणवीर से आपका हस्बैंड कोई भी हो, लेकिन आपको ये बिहेवियर चेंज करना पड़ेगा. आप शादी एक करिए या तीन करिए, जब तक आप इस पे काम नहीं करेंगे, nothing will change. So I would suggest you कि
पर
life is
कैसे
not
करें
about.
मतलब if your horoscope only is like this, then what to do? मतलब क्या ऐसा करे? Meditation है एक चीज, but otherwise also मतलब होता है. For a lot of people they don't understand. जैसे अभी इनका है कि इनको नहीं समझ में आ रहा हो क्यों मेरे साथ ऐसा हो रहा है, मैं रिएक्ट कर देती हूँ, सब कुछ करती हूँ.
जी.
Now she knows of course because of
सी
her
इज लाइक दैट इज अगर कोई
horoscope.
कोई कार ड्राइव कर रहा है हाईवे पे और इज खाली रोड है और आप बोल रही हो कि अरे तो तेज नहीं चलाएगा तो क्या है, अभी तो तेजी तो चलाते हो, आई लव ड्राइविंग फास्ट, एंड आई एम सेइंग देयर डेंजरस कर्व अहेड, जीपीएस इज टेलिंग यू इज नॉट good time, and there are a lot of signals are coming, which says that this is an accident prone area. So you should know, what is your limitation. So if it is your way or highway and your way, then it is more dangerous actually. Again, this is the first time someone has said highway and your way. So what so what I'm saying is, see, she first is moment of realization. So today, I'm a stranger. I have no clue. Purnima looks like a moon, or Purnima looks like a new moon. I have no idea, But what I'm saying is, today, if she understands that, then she should start realizing, and she should start working on it. And only one thing which can help is meditation. She can wear a pearl and yellow sapphire. Otherwise, I would suggest her to accepting this is not a court of law where you need to prove who is right or wrong. It is acceptance which will help you to pass this phase. And nothing is permanent as it says. But yeah, the other side of story, we don't know that who's her husband and how difficult or weird the person is. So
but according to your horoscope, it's basically what all
it's just emotional imbalance. It's just emotional imbalance, one statement. So if she can work on it, she will be good. She will understand and realize that.
Subject होना चाहिए, है ना? School में एक subject होना चाहिए. Emotional balance कैसे करना है? I think you should go and teach.
I think it happened already.
last evening
it happened. Yeah. The college I was talking about is a very prestigious college in Mumbai. Yeah. So I spoke about for 1.5 hours. Is a Mithi Bhai and Usha Praveen College. And there were lots of students, even teachers, including principal, they were listening to me, and it was amazing. 1.5 hours I was talking only about your state of mind, the way you behave and the way you perceive your life. So you need to change that.
But don't you think we should start from the beginning? Once the kids are quite young, they should know, how to control their emotions. Quite difficult, They don't understand why are they reacting.
Yeah, but Saloni, one thing I have a complete faith in, the culture of the family plays a very important role. Any family which has some kind of like puja room in home, and they are praying every day, and there's some kind of positivity at home. The husband wives are in good harmony to each other. They are cracking jokes, and they are in sync with each other. They're talking each other in a friendly manner, and if the kids also can bring some kind of spiritual side to them, then there is no problem. Then they understand what is good and bad. Then there is a lot of acceptance, lot of tolerance. Then you look at a bigger picture, and you
that automatically comes basically.
Absolutely, it is like that. It is in spite of the horoscope, though I'm an astrologer, I'm saying your environment can influence your life. It is about I wrote one poetry which says like this: कि अब क्या इंतजार करें सितारों के बदलने का, अब क्या इंतजार करें सितारों के बदलने का, जब तुम नहीं बदले तो तकदीर क्या बदलेगी. So it is the change which you
need to... amazing. That was amazing. Wow.
Thank you. Yeah. So I hope Purnima will realize it and will start. You see, I'm not blaming her, though I did, but I didn't mean to blame her. What I'm saying is, I was blaming her stars.
Horoscope case, yes.
Yeah. So if she realized today, then things will change for her, I'm sure.
And your stars can change if you try and meditate more and try and be a little diplomatic.
Absolutely. I was doing a serial on Sahara 1, and that serial was based on real life stories. It was a proper serial from Monday to Friday. Every week there was a news story, and in between the scenes I used to come and give reasons and explanation why something has happened in someone's life. या आखिर रघु की जिंदगी में ऐसा क्या मोड़ आया कि उसे ये कदम उठाना पड़ा. So there was a dialogue which I used to say almost in every story कि जब वक्त बदलता है तो सितारे बदल जाते हैं. जब वक्त बदलता है तो सितारे बदल जाते हैं, और सितारों के बदलते ही इंसान की सोच बदल जाती है. So the planet influences.
So true. It does. Sometimes you don't even realize कि अरे ऐसे कैसे मैं सोच रही हूँ या सोच रहा हूँ जो भी है. Okay, let's Anuja Zaveri. Anuja Zaveri. 13th, okay. Yes, 13th May 1980. 10:55 p.m. 10:55 p.m.
2255. Okay, Mumbai. Okay. So Anuja, 13 May 1980, Tuesday evening, 10:55 p.m. Yeah. So has she mentioned any question about her?
No, nothing as such.
Yeah. See, she also has good side and a bad side. Good side is, if anyone need anything, even in the midnight, she is the one who will the first person to help anyone. So that is her first thing. Okay. But because there are lot of planets together, creating lot of turbulence in her mind. and the time also is not a great time. She is running Rahu and Saturn phase. Both of the planets are malefic in nature, and that's the reason whatever she is planning, she is experiencing some kind of turbulence. Now the problem is, again, she is also born on new moon day. Now the problem here,
Okay.
Saloni, is, moon plays a very, very important role in anyone's life in Indian astrology. That's the reason Western astrology is based on moon, sun. Indian astrology is based on moon, and Indian astrology is more because it is more closer to our heart. It is what you want. If it is happening, you feel it. You are running a good time, and if you want something, it is not happening, you feel कि आपका bad luck ही खराब है.
Time ही खराब है.
Yes. so emotions plays a very important role. तो मुझे लगता है कि इसीलिए मेडिटेशन को भी कंपलसरी कर देना चाहिए. अभी योगा सिखाया जा रहा है. योगा में पीपल आर लर्निंग लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स थैंक्स टू बाबा रामदेव. या उससे पहले मैं कहूंगा थैंक्स टू वेस्टर्न वर्ल्ड हु स्टार्टेड योगा, रिवाइव्ड योगा इन द ग्लोबली, एंड देन पीपल रियलाइज कि यार ये तो हमारी कोई पिक्चर वहां पे चला रहा है. तो फिर Baba Ramdev entered in the scene and he started taking it further. So now a lot of other things. I know a lot of people, lot of ashrams who have started yoga thing, and they have brought it back again. इसी तरह मुझे लगता है कि meditation also should be a part and parcel of our culture and our curriculum. Very even true. In schools. So that will change. वो अलग बात है कि politics है and people feel otherwise. And I believe in spirituality is more important than being religious. तो वो वक्त लगेगा लोगों को समझने के लिए.
Okay.
So she can wear a ruby and yellow sapphire, and ये टाइम को पास कर लीजिए. और अभी 2 साल बाकी हैं, almost 2 years. उसके बाद अनुजा को मैं कहूंगा कि things will be all right. और दिल से मत लगाइए, क्योंकि when you think emotionally and you take everything to your heart, then you will be in a situation, and that is what is happening with her.
Okay. Now Anurag Sharma. His question is about career not good. Okay. So 25th May. No, April 4. 25th April 1990, 12:25 p.m. अनुराग जी, आपने जगह तो लिखा ही नहीं है, प्लेस ऑफ बर्थ.
ओ फिश, अनुराग ये तुमने क्या किया? अभी हॉरोस्कोप नहीं बनेगा. अभी
क्या करें हम, बताइए. पूरी डिटेल्स नहीं दी आपने.
तो डेट ऑफ बर्थ, टाइम ऑफ बर्थ एंड प्लेस ऑफ बर्थ. Oh my God, I can see. Okay. ये तो बहुत सारे hundreds of messages हैं आपके पास. My God.
अरे आप पूछिए मत. ये तो यहाँ पर है, यहाँ पे जो मैंने लोड करके रखे 2-3 दिन से. It's too much.
Okay.
सारे आपके फैंस हैं.
अरे नहीं, थैंक यू. देखिए ये it is looking great. ये जो आपका ये landscape mode is looking great. It's like 2 people sitting together. Yeah. But the problem is when you read the message. Then ऐसे और हाँ, तो वो थोड़ा सा
ऐसे करना पड़ रहा है मुझे. तो इसलिए मैं ज्यादा यहाँ पे बोल दिया था, तभी मैंने लिखने के लिए. चलो आप भानु शर्मा का.
But I would suggest you for next time. I would suggest you to have another phone in your hand and then you read it.
I will do that. I'll do it on the laptop then.
हाँ. You can do live from here and read from there from your laptop.
Yeah, so that'll be a better.
Good suggestion.
Good. सॉरी गाइज, आप लोग की रिक्वेस्ट जो मेरे पास आई है मैं वो दे रही हूँ. और यहाँ पे मुझे सबकी डिटेल्स जिनकी मैं कर पा रही हूँ, आई एम ट्राइंग टू डू इट. नहीं तो नेक्स्ट सेशन पक्का है, अभी वी विल हैव टू डू इट. सो या भानु शर्मा 18th May 1984, 3:24 p.m. Mumbai.
3:24 p.m. in Mumbai. 18 May 1984 is Friday, 3:24 p.m. in Mumbai. And तो भानु ने कोई क्वेश्चन लिखा है क्या? He is a very good person.
नहीं, कुछ क्वेश्चन.
Very clear-hearted, very loving person, good in understanding things. He may also take interest in learning astrology because he has a inquisitive mind, and he makes people learning. Yeah, and he's a very clear-hearted person. That is a good quality to become an astrologer. क्योंकि अगर आप अपना भला चाहेंगे तो फिर कुछ भी नहीं होगा. So I think if you think of others
दूसरों के बारे में सोच
journey, हाँ, तो it can become your profession, but it has to be something which is good. I hope if Bhanu is listening, तो बताइए भानु, आपको astrology सीखने में इंटरेस्ट है? क्योंकि मैं तो आपको मोटिवेट कर रहा हूँ.
और आपके पास आ सकते हैं हम लोग सीखने के लिए.
अभी तो I'm occupied. Maybe in few years. Yeah, I think maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah. So he's a good person, very nice human being, very kind, caring, loving, and very clear by heart. So that is something. It's very rare to find people like him. That's a good thing. So I don't know what exactly. Yeah. So I don't know what exactly he wanted me to check, but otherwise he has all the qualities to learn something.
Okay, he's there. He's saying he has his own business. And so how will that go?
He can do trading of any kind. I don't know what kind of business he's into, but he can do trading of any kind.
Furniture. He's got furniture. He's into furniture. Yes.
So I believe
his own showroom.
So I believe he might be either importing it or getting it done from ready-made, because I don't think he's into manufacturing. The
Okay.
trading is something which will always be good for him, because
Okay. So
Mercury,
this
he's
is
ruled
good.
by Mercury. The Lord of Profession is also Mercury, and Mercury is all about trading of anything. Anything means anything. So I don't know if he has any interest, but I'm just motivating him. I don't want to create more competition, but he has in him to learn astrology.
Those qualities, okay. Great. So next is Priyanka Mehra. Hi,
Mhm.
Priyanka, if you're there. I don't know, I can't see her. Okay, never mind. 11th June 1981.
See, I think, I read his message. He is writing something. I just missed out.
There's so many messages.
In 1 second there are
Yeah, so
multiple
it's
messages
just
coming.
getting, yeah.
I think, no, I read it. I read it. Yeah, he's interested in learning. Somewhere I read it. I don't know where it is now.
Yeah?
Uh,
Okay. Great.
if you
I can't
can.
see because I saw the questions, but now I can't see him. It's all gone. Okay. Naughty 84.
Okay.
He's
Anyways.
saying thank you for showing path.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So next let's take from here.
Hmm.
Manish Goel. Date of birth is 5th January 1991. Birth time is
Fifth,
2:35. 5th January
91. Birth time
90.
is.
2:35 a.m.
So
Birthplace is
no, this
Meerut.
who was naughty 84.
I don't know. He's just mentioned thank you. You're doing
No,
a
this
great
naughty
work.
84 has message that I'm interested in
No,
learning astrology. Acha, that's a different person.
Acha,
Okay.
acha, acha,
Okay.
yes.
Okay.
Naughty,
Maybe.
please send your date of birth and details so that we can check whether you are also
Yeah, so you and
inclined
he
towards
so
astrology.
one suggestion I can give it to him without reading his horoscope is, he need to change the name of his ID. If you will tell people you are a naughty astrologer, then no one will come to you.
I'm sure.
Anyways, okay. The 5th of January 1991,
2:35 a.m. and
2:35 a.m.
Meerut,
Okay.
Meerut, Uttar Pradesh.
Hmm. Meerut, the people are naughty in Meerut. I know a lot of people from there. Yeah.
But
Good.
he is not the one. This is someone else, Manish Goel.
Okay. No, this is Manish
Naughty is
Gole. Yeah.
where I don't know. Okay.
Got it. Yeah. So Manish Gole, has he mentioned about his situation?
Uh,
Like what exactly you want me to know?
मुझे
Check.
हेल्थ इशू रहता है इससे या मुझे हेल्थ इशू रहता है
गलत है. Wrong question.
फैमिली
देखिए मैम,
में फैमिली में लड़ाई झगड़े होते रहते
हाँ
हैं
बिल्कुल होता
फैमिली
रहेगा. बिकॉज जब ये पैदा हुए थे तो उस दिन महाभारत चल रही थी टेलीविजन. देखिए प्रॉब्लम क्या है आपको मैं बताना चाहता
I
हूँ.
really
यू
like the way you explain it. Seriously, I let me just tell you that first.
नहीं, and I mean it. उसका रीजन बताता हूँ. He has Rahu and Saturn plays in fourth house, the house of mental peace. So there is no peace in his life. And not only that, he also have fourth house is mother. So
Okay.
everything going against his peace, against his mother, and not a good situation. Second thing is he also have lot of doubts about everyone. तो वो फिर कभी भी एक
Oh,
हैप्पी जोन में नहीं रखते हैं और वो इंसान हमेशा फिर किसी ना किसी सिचुएशन में फंस जाता है. और तीसरी बात है, since last many years he's running a phase of moon, and moon is emotion. So when you anyone who's running a moon phase in life, the person will be influenced emotionally. But I think things would change in 2023. So it is another 2.5 years to go. And Manish, I would suggest you to just pass this phase and don't react. You are a wise man. I know you have exalted Jupiter. So use your wisdom and don't venture into somewhere where you need to. You don't be one of them. If people are not behaving in the
okay.
right manner, please don't be one of them. Try to either pacify or just walk away from there and secure your family and
Okay.
yourself. So this is a
Okay.
suggestion I would, because one
तो
thing
बीमारी
which
भी
may.
बेसिकली इसीलिए है पीस ऑफ
हाँ, I
माइंड
was
की
coming
वजह
to
से
that.
यू आर
तो
नॉट
जिस दिन ये
वेल
पैदा
ओके
हुए थे उस दिन डिसाइड हो गया था. इवन डॉक्टर will tell him every time, Manish, don't come to me because everything in your body or your health is because of your anxiety. So he has that thing in him, and he assumes
कुछ
also.
तो
I
है
feel, yeah, I feel कि ऐसा हो रहा है, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है. So that will create his anxiety. So he need to meditate a lot. And I know
ओके
he can. So if he can do it, if he can start it, then he will be good with not only his health but even mental peace, which is not there in his horoscope. That will also be taken care of.
सो
नहीं तो
मनीष
ये जिंदगी,
सिंस नाउ
हाँ नहीं,
हाँ
नहीं तो ये जिंदगी यूं ही गुजर जाएगी. It is all about knowing yourself and working towards it.
यस And especially when now, you are telling them, it's very important. I think you've got like good karmas that you know about it, and you are, there are a lot of people who are sending messages, but you are the one who's been selected. So, please go ahead and do meditation and follow what Sandeep ji is saying, because I think everybody doesn't get the chance to know everything what is going on. सब लोग यही सोचते रह
Absolutely.
जाते हैं कि क्या हो रहा है,
Yeah,
क्यों हो रहा है.
because when I was on astrologer, so I didn't get anything like that. Otherwise, I would have done better decision, took better decision in my life. But one thing I'm sure is everything happens for a reason. But astrology is a divine science which can help you to know your journey. So if you know, like this GPS, you know the way to your home, but you know if the traffic is bad here or there's a road close here, then you take left and right, and that is the purpose of astrology exactly.
Okay, so आप please meditation कीजिए, everything will be fine. Okay, Priyanka Bhakri, 25th March, another Bhakri, okay. 25th March 1988,
Yeah.
11:20 a.m.
Place
Mumbai.
of birth?
Mumbai.
25th March 1988 is Friday, 11:20 in the morning in Mumbai. She's super ambitious, really want to do something very, very big in life, but she's totally upset since last 1 year, and she has no idea what to
okay.
do. So, ये जो ग्लोबल पेंडेमिक आया है, इट इज ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ हर हॉरोस्कोप. क्योंकि अगर ये पेंडेमिक नहीं भी आता, इनकी सिचुएशन यही रहती जो अभी है. सो एटलीस्ट मैं ये कह सकता हूँ कि यू गॉट ए लॉन्ग हॉलीडे एंड you this is the time you should utilize it to work more on yourself. And इनका जो सबसे बड़ा दुश्मन है वो है इनका जिद. एक बार ये अटक जाती हैं. इनका फेवरेट डायलॉग भी यही है कि एक बार मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी तो मैं सलमान खान की भी नहीं सुनूंगी. तो वो इनको एंड तो शी इज 32 नाउ. मुझे लगता है कि थोड़ा सा लाइफ को लाइटली लेना चाहिए, क्योंकि जिद जो है वो इंसान को फंसा देती है, एंड एक छोटी सी जिद किसी भी रिश्ते को ब्रेक कर देती है. एंड शी ऑल्सो हैज अ सिचुएशन इन हर हाउस ऑफ मैरिज. So I would suggest her, please try to be little bit more flexible. Next year would be more frustrating for you. तो आपको ये बात अगर पहले से पता है, पिछला 1 साल से आप डिप्रेसिंग जोन में चल रहे हो और अभी भी अगला साल फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग है, तो इसका मतलब अभी वक्त आपका साथ नहीं दे रहा है. That means small little gesture from your end in a negative manner might create some big turbulence. So just let it go, just pass this phase. और आपने ये साल 21 निकाल लिया तो फिर आपको लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी.
So good phase is going to start basically for her.
Yes.
Okay. So work-wise and family-wise, both, everything is going to be fine.
जी बिल्कुल. I've seen, it is, we are all governed and ruled and influenced by planets. But when you realize and understand and then you grow beyond that, then it really helps. Otherwise, आपको पता ही नहीं है, कि what you are thinking is not right, because programming is like that only.
Okay, there is one question from Anuja. Again,
Anuja, we took one.
Please
Anuja
ask. Yeah, same. She's asking. Ask for my work. She's asking for work. Acha, Anuja, you just told her about work, na?
Yeah. I think, yeah. Maybe she has typed.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay, next is Karma Shah. Karma Shah, 27th Jan 1991.
Time?
Karma, say hello. 11:40 p.m. Mumbai. Karma, do you have any specific question? Please बोल दीजिए अगर है आपके पास कोई specific question. I can't see it.
क्या नाम बताया था आपने? परमा?
कर्मा के कर्म.
हाँ, वैसे तो हम लोग कहते हैं पिछले जन्मों के कर्मों का फल इंसान भुगतता है इस जिंदगी में, और इनको भी कुछ ऐसा ही लग रहा है कर्मा, क्योंकि इस समय आपने जितने कर्म कांड किए हैं वो सब मतलब यू आर नॉट हैप्पी एट ऑल, बिकॉज ये जिंदगी बदलने वाली. एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग टू चेंज. एवरीथिंग, मकान, दुकान, सब कुछ बदलने वाला है. यू आर हेडिंग फॉर अनदर बिगनिंग. आई डोंट नो व्हाट यू आर अप टू, व्हाट यू आर प्लानिंग, बट आपका पूरी जिंदगी बदल जाएगी. पिछले 1.5 साल से कुछ भी ठीक नहीं चल रहा है. जीरो, पूरा डबल जीरो है आपके उसमें. खैर सिंगल और डबल जीरो में फर्क नहीं होता ज्यादा, लेकिन आई एम जस्ट सेइंग, थोड़ा एग्जैजरेट कर रहा हूँ कि ही शुड फील दिस इज नॉट हिज फॉल्ट. या, दैट इज नॉट हिज फॉल्ट, बट गुड न्यूज इज ही इज हेडिंग फॉर ए अमेजिंग जर्नी ऑफ हिज लाइफ. आगे आने वाला जो वक्त है, जो अगले साल से शुरू होने वाला है, तो ट्रांजिशन का दौर शुरू हो चुका है. तो जब सब कुछ सेटल होगा, और वैसे भी अभी ये पैंडेमिक में वक्त है, अभी मानसून शुरू हो रहा है, एंड देयर विल बी अ सेकंड वेव कमिंग. देयर इज नो वैक्सीन टिल नाउ. तो सलोनी, मुझे लगता है कि अभी थोड़ा सा इसमें काफी वक्त बाकी है. ये कोविड से लड़ाई जारी रहेगी. कुछ भी ऐसा नया एक्सपेरिमेंट या नया सिचुएशन ना करें, तो ये साल तो यूं ही गुजर जाएगा. तो ये एक्सेप्टेंस के साथ अगर इंसान आगे बढ़ता है तो मुझे लगता है कि ठीक रहेगा.
So next year is going to be better for him.
ये अभी तो जीरो है, लेकिन आगे सब कुछ ठीक है. Whatever he is planning from his life, by the grace of God, he will get it, and that's a great news. तो
That's
कई बार
very
क्या होता है,
nice.
you don't
So
know कि ये वक्त खराब है. You start blaming yourself, you start blaming people around, and that makes
true,
things complicated. तो आज आपको पता चल गया कि don't blame anyone, blame your stars.
true.
इल्जाम इन हिंदी. और मैंने लिखा था कि बदल नहीं रही है किस्मत तो इल्जाम ना लगा सितारों पर, निकलते तो हैं रोज मगर तेरे सो जाने के बाद. तो हार्ड वर्क बहुत
क्या
जरूरी है.
बात
आप
है.
सो गए अगर तो फिर सितारे नहीं
बिल्कुल
बदलेंगे.
मत सोइए. उठे रहिए. Okay. So next is Arjun Sharma, Arjun Shri Krishan Sharma. His date of birth is 2nd November 1989,
टाइम
8:40 a.m. New Delhi.
प्लेस ऑफ. ओके. you're also from Delhi, right?
Yes, I'm also from there. And actually मेरा date of birth भी same ही है, बस year अलग है, time भी अलग है, but
ओह ओके.
जो आपने कभी नहीं बताया.
आपने पूछा ही नहीं.
अभी मैं ऐसे नहीं पूछ सकती ना.
हाँ, I know.
अब इतने सारे रिक्वेस्ट के बाद मुझे लग रहा है मैं बाद में ही पूछी तो चलेगा.
नहीं श्योरली, या वी कैन डू दैट. और देखिए 2 नवंबर, आई थिंक दिस कुड बी द लास्ट वन, बिकॉज आपका अभी 4 मिनट में आप यू स्टार्टेड एग्जैक्टली एट 6, राइट?
Yes,
हाँ,
exactly.
तो आप 1 मिनट पहले क्लोज करिएगा, नहीं तो फिर उसको प्रॉब्लम आएगी सेव करने में, बिकॉज आई विल डाउनलोड इट एंड अपलोड इट अगेन ऑन इंस्टाग्राम.
ठीक है, alright. So I'll close and I'll save it.
जी. तो देखिए अर्जुन का क्या है कि अर्जुन, दो इट इज ही इज अ वाइज मैन एंड ही हैज एबिलिटी टू लर्न मोर एंड मोर, नो मोर एंड मोर.
Okay.
इनका एक बहुत अच्छा पॉइंट है, लेकिन इनका इमोशन सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है. इनका भी नीच का चंद्रमा है और वो भी लगन पर, तो इनको हर चीज बॉदर कर जाती है. एवरीथिंग, यू नो, ऐसे लोग दे आर प्रोन
Very emotional basically.
हाँ, हर चीज. यू नो नॉर्मली यू नो वाइफ को अपनी सास से प्रॉब्लम होती है, ये वो हस्बैंड है जिनको अपनी सास से प्रॉब्लम होगी. तो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज इनको लगता है
तो सास के साथ तो रहना नहीं है ना.
हाँ, रहना नहीं है, फिर भी होगी. यू नो तुम्हारी जब भी
अच्छा,
तो
okay.
तुम्हारी मॉम फोन करती है, यू नो वो जरूर कुछ ना कुछ, यू नो उनको लगता है ऐसा. assumptions.
okay.
What I'm saying is very sensitive. You know, on a serious note, I will say he is very sensitive. तो जिंदगी में मुझे लगता है कि ऑप्टिमिज्म जरूरी है, जबकि he is very daring. He feel he can do anything. तो मुझे लगता है कि कोशिश करते रहें. He is a wise man. Everything is okay. थोड़ा डिप्लोमेसी यूज करना चाहिए, जो ये नहीं कर पाते, जिससे रिलेशन स्पॉइल होते हैं. तो जिस दिन ये पॉजिटिव हो गए, ऑप्टिमिस्टिक हो गए, ऑब्वियसली विद द हेल्प ऑफ प्रेयर्स एंड मेडिटेशन, वो इनकी जिंदगी को बदल देगा. एक इनको येलो सफायर पहनना चाहिए, एक पर्ल पहनना चाहिए. 2 स्टोन इनके काम आने वाले हैं जिंदगी भर. एंड 2023 विल बी हिज लाइफ चेंजिंग ईयर, एंड वहां से इनकी जिंदगी बदल जाएगी. एंड ही माइट आल्सो टेक एन इंटरेस्ट इन गोइंग आउटसाइड इंडिया. शायद अगर कहीं लिखा हो तो मुझे पता नहीं, बट ही मे इवन सेटल डाउन आउटसाइड इंडिया. तो आई विल सजेस्ट हिम कि ये साल, अगला साल, दोनों साल अभी रिसेशन का है, ग्लोबल रिसेशन का है. सो अभी तो कोई आप प्लान ना करें. और मुझे लगता है एस्ट्रोलॉजिकली 2023 विल बी द ईयर आफ्टर ऑलमोस्ट 2.5 years. अर्जुन.
Okay. All right, but he's saying he's not married. So
देखिए
लगन का क्या है?
अच्छा हुआ शादी नहीं की, क्योंकि अगर हो गई होती तो हम लोग डिवोर्स को डिस्कस कर रहे होते. बिकॉज ही ऑलरेडी हैड ए ब्रोकन रिलेशनशिप इन द पास्ट व्हिच टुक ए लॉन्ग टाइम. एंड और क्या है, इमोशनल इंबैलेंस को इन्होंने ओवरकम कर लिया है. तो आई थिंक ही इज नाउ मोर यू नो एलिजिबल टू गेट मैरिड. एंड इफ इज विलिंग टू गेट मैरिड, देन इस नवंबर से अगले नवंबर के बीच में इनकी शादी का पूरा चांस है.
ओह ओके.
जी.
So
तो ये इनको
अभी
मैं
तो
यही
नहीं,
एडवाइस करूंगा.
पैंडेमिक.
जी बिल्कुल, एक्चुअली. और मांगलिक हैं तो हर उसको मिला के शादी करिए. और अपने वाइफ के साथ साथ अपनी मदर इन लॉ की भी हर उसको मिला लीजिएगा.
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सबसे पहले मदर इन लॉ के साथ. Okay. अच्छा, ऐसे भी होता है. मुझे ये दिस इज समथिंग न्यू फॉर मी, यू नो, कि मदर इन लॉ से भी प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है.
नो नो,
ऐसा पता है? नहीं, अच्छा ठीक है. मुझे नहीं, नॉट कुंडली में नाले की बात ही करी, मैं वैसे कही. मतलब स्टार से पता चल जाता है कि मदर इन लॉ से भी प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है.
नहीं, वो नेचर के ऊपर होता है. आई थिंक वी हैव फ्यू सेकंड्स लेफ्ट टू कंप्लीट 1 hour, सलोनी.
बट आई हैव गॉट सो मेनी रिक्वेस्ट. सब मुझे बोलने वाले हैं कि भाई आपने तो हमारी रिक्वेस्ट ही नहीं लिया, मैं क्या करूं बताओ.
I think anyone who has something in private to discuss, they can connect with me through my website.
Yes.
And this is my profession.
Very
obviously,
true.
it will be chargeable because यहाँ पे तो obviously we are taking it on a friendly way. But wherever, if you want the session to be done, we can do it.
Anything
Half an hour per
specific?
person. Yes.
Okay. Anything specific? Right. Anybody is interested, please go ahead and ask संदीप कोचर जी. ये सब आपको डिटेल्स बता देंगे. वैसे ही अभी भी बताया है, बट डिटेल्स में अच्छे से आंसर भी करेंगे और सब जो पॉसिबिलिटी है करने की, जो हेल्प कर सकते हैं, आई एम श्योर ही विल डू इट. थैंक
Yep.
यू सो मच.
You're welcome, Saloni.
एंड एक मैसेज